got the amp dyno.
That's awesome.
I already know about the amp dyno. This is the scariest dyno at SEMA. This one, we call it the Heartbreaker. Or the Honey Badger.
The Honey Badger.
Because it doesn't care. Comes with a test disc.
It has a test disc. Okay.
So basically you back the customer's car up, disconnect their speakers, plug their amplifier into the amp dyno,
okay,
pop the test CD in, and then select what impedance we're gonna want to test. So this Rockford Fosgate amp that we have here is rated at 200 watts per channel at 2 ohms. So we're gonna set the dyno up to run this amp at 2 ohms and let's see what it does. There's 2. Now the amp dyno's got built-in DD1s on both channels, so it can detect distortion just like the distortion detector tool can. So unlike using clamps or voltmeter or that, as soon as this sees distortion, it's going to say, okay, that's the maximum clean power.
Nice clean signal.
Yeah. So here we go. Let's do a dyno pull on this Rockford amp. 194 on one channel and 200 on the other. So
okay, and that's at 2 ohms?
At 2 ohms, 2 ohm stereo.
Now does this show the voltage drop here? It's showing that that was at 13.65?
Yep, that measurement was made at 13.65. So Rockford rates it at 14.4, so clearly it's within the rated.
Definitely. Okay, and that's a real reading. That's not clamp meter going voltage times clamp, and divided by, and then here we go, that's 5,000 RMS, right?
Yeah, because it's clean, it's undistorted, and it's in phase. This has non-inductive load bank in it, so the voltage and current are always in phase. You don't have to worry about it. That's the true number, as true as it can be.
100% accurate.
And in the car also, not on a test bench. So
right, so you can hook this up to a rack or put it on a dolly and roll it around the shop. To work in your car, and it would tell you 100%. Clients come in or anybody comes up, says, hey man, I bought this amp. It says it does 2,500 watts. I don't know what it's really doing. You plug it right into the dyno and it's going to tell you.
That's it, yeah, stick it on the dyno, do a poll. Maybe you'll find out that the customer has aluminum wire that's not, maybe they're losing the voltage. You change it to CCA and maybe they gain a couple hundred watts. So for a dealer, it's a tool to sell better wire, sell better quality equipment, sell better batteries, alternators, upgrades.
Okay. Excellent. Now, how low on like an ohm load on testing will this go?
This will go all the way down to 1 ohm per channel. So if you wanted to go lower than that, you can just parallel the 2 channels and then you could get to a half ohm.
You can do a half ohm.
Yep. And it'll do 10,000 watts a channel for the length of a dyno run.
Excellent. Okay. Sweet. There you have it. That's going to be one of the coolest products for any shop around to have, the amp dyno. That's just awesome. I personally use the DD1s, the CC1s. Those are just awesome devices. If you're tuning anything, doing anything with your system, that's a must-have. That's for sure. Right on, Tony. Well, I want to say thanks to you, for sure. Awesome products. Juan, thanks, sir. Nice and quiet today. Juan's being quiet. It's the last day of the show, Thanks, guys. Keep tuning into the videos. We'll try and get more cool stuff out there for you guys. Thanks a lot.